start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to get my nails done today. I need to file them off, so I thought perfect opportunity to try this new e-file from Kredioo. Look at this plastic casing it comes in, guys. I've never had one like that. So cool. It comes with all these ceramic bits as well. Don't ask me to name them because I've no clue. 5 ceramic bits and a little ball bit. USB type C. It's completely wireless, rechargeable. And let me tell you, this little thing packs a punch. I was well impressed with it. So it's a 35,000 RPM, so it's got your digital display. You can see exactly what speed it's on. So I'll just show you there, going all the way up to 35,000. You should never need it on that. It's a brilliant little thing. So that red dot there means it's in reverse mode. And if you double click the button, it will give you that dot that means it's in forward. Yeah, double clicking it changes it from forward to reverse, and if you just click it once it pauses it. I love that. So if you pause it on 18,000 RPM, you don't have to keep winding it back to 0 and back up to 18. So I love that it's got that pause button. So we've got to say goodbye to these autumn snails. It's got a twist lock, fantastic. So I'm going to use this medium bit and see what it's like cutting through these nails. So these nails that I've got on are polygel, and I used dual foam, so they are thick nails, guys. So I've got it on 20,000 RPM. I've got it in forward mode. I've already snipped the nails down short, and look at this little thing go. Even this little ceramic bit is a decent bit. Normally the drill bits that come free with e-files are normally a bit pants, aren't they? But no, it was alright, it was fine. I'm not qualified with an e-file, nowhere near. So I literally just let the drill and the bit do the work for me. Just really light touches, shaving it off. And guys, I promise you, it wasn't stuttering. It wasn't trying to stop. It just powered through these nails. Yeah, really, really impressed with it. To say that all the motor and everything is in that little handpiece, yeah, I'm really, really impressed with it. I've got a permanent 10% discount code actually for Kredioo or for Amazon. So I'll leave everything I use in today's video, I'll leave it all linked below anyway. So I'll let you watch, just do 1 or 2 for a sec. So that's them all filed off. So I'm going to use this little pokey bit. I have got a little bit of product left on my nails. I do like to leave a little bit. So I'm going to use this drill bit now just to get all the dead skin from around my cuticles. Look at it just whipping it off. And I'm not putting any pressure on. You don't want to file anything off your natural nails. Just float that little bit over the dead skin and it'll whip it off. Look. So impressed with this little thing, guys. Really dinky, really compact, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. It's a really good little e-file. So now I'm getting right fancy pants. I've switched to that little ball bit, and this just gets rid of the little bit that I normally use nippers and nip off on your skin. It gets rid of that excess skin without burning. It doesn't burn, it doesn't cut you or anything. It just kind of buffs it off. I love it. And that's them all done. That took me no time. Look how neat and tidy my cuticles are, guys. No cuts, no grazes, nothing. I'm always cutting myself, so I'm buzzing with this. I've got a couple of little bits there, can you see, that I will nip off, but well impressed with it. I love it. I love the drill bits that it comes with. Perfect. And it all just packs away neat and tidy in that little plastic case. Love it. So I'm going to do a quick set of nails now. So I've pulled out the Kredioo nail glue and tips kit. So this is the nail glue and this is the tips. I'll leave links for all this below. These tips are brilliant. Amongst my favourite actually. They're pre-buffed, they're matte, they're a nice shape, nice length. So I'm going to use the nail prep dehydrator that comes in this kit. Give my nails a nice dousing of that. And then I'm going to use the Kredioo base coat. You don't have to use a base coat with these little kits, but I like to have something to file down to. I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to start with my pinky, and I like to put a little strip of the nail glue, the nail gel, down the middle of my nail like that. Just a little thin strip of it. And then a little blob inside the tip itself. See, these tips are pre-buffed inside, so you don't need to do that. I'll turn my lamp on so it's nice and ready to go. And then we're going to press that tip down at the cuticle area and just push that glue up till it covers your natural nail like that. Stick it in the lamp, job done. Super quick, super easy. And that takes about 30 seconds, I think. So I'll just show you doing one more, and then once I've got them all on, I'll stick them in my big lamp then for a full 30 seconds cure. So that is all the nails done. I'm just quickly going to use a hand file just to file off them little knobbly bits you get on the tip where they've been attached to the casing or the frame, whatever. Get rid of them little knobbly bits. Then I'm going back to the e-file and I'm just going to use this file to get any little bits of the glue gel that's leaked out the side of them tips. There really wasn't much there. But yeah, again, this little drill bit was fantastic. So I've pulled out some of my Kredioo gel polishes. I think this is out the pink kit, and I'm using their pastel. They do a set of 6 pastel colours as well, just all different colours. And I'm going to put a different colour on each nail. I'll just show you doing the first coat. I'll do the second coats off camera. Quick, easy design, guys, but they're so cool. These are trending at the minute. Everybody's doing them and they just don't look real. I've missed out on the last couple of trends. I don't normally do them, but this one's so quick and easy. I thought, yeah, give it a go, and it's good fun. So that's all my colours down. I've put green on the thumb. I don't think I showed that. So now we're going to use Kredioo gel liners. This one is out of their glow in the dark set that they do. And I'm just going to do a little swipe across the corner. Yeah, just a little swipe across the left hand side of the cuticle area. Like that. And I'm going to quickly flash cure that. And then I'm going to do exactly the same with the blue. This is out the glow in the dark set as well. I think I use a mixture of the glow in the dark set that they do, and they do a normal set with blacks and whites. I use a mixture of both sets, and I'm just going to use a darker colour than what's on the nail for each of these swipes. So that's all my little corner swipes done. Now I'm going to use the black gel liner. This is out the regular gel liner kit that they do. And I'm going to do a black outline on all of these nails. Just a nice thin outline. I can't speak, guys. Nice thin outline around the whole nail. And then, yeah, cure them for 30 seconds as well. These little liner, the brushes on these little liner gels are fantastic. They're quite stiff, so they don't like squiggle off to the side or smudge. They're quite easy to use. So now, sticking with the black, I'm just going to do a little kind of reflection mark on the tip of all these nails. I'm going to do a different one on each tip and cure them in the lamp. They're starting to look very fake. Now all that's left to do is literally, I'd call this an exclamation mark using the white. Exclamation mark on each one of them nails. And that kind of, it's like the reflection, isn't it? And now I'm going to use their super top coat. Give these all a nice generous layer of top coat, and that's them finished. Guys, they just don't look real, do they? They look like they've been coloured on in felt tip. I just think they're so effective. I think I should have done the black outline a little thinner. I would have liked it a little thinner. But I love them. I think they're so fun and quirky and easy. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave links to everything I've used in today's video in my description box with discount codes. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. There's a huge 5k giveaway coming soon. You ain't going to want to miss it. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Turn your notifications on as well so you don't miss any videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.